The Grimace shake. A couple of blueberries. About 3 handfuls. Alright, that's all good. About pouring about a cup of milk. Not much purple. Oh, great! All done. Alright, let's try this.
I'll treat you.